So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to change shop name on Etsy. So for that guys, first of all you'll have to open any web browser on your computer. As you can see, I've selected the Google Chrome, and after that guys you can have to search for etsy.com, and after coming on their website, first of all you will have to log into your account, and then you guys can able to see this option right here called shop manager. Now you just have to click on this button, and after that you guys will get transferred on this page. Now choose this option right here called settings, and after that choose the second option which is called info and appearance. So guys, as you can see, we have now here on the section of info and appearance. So guys, after coming on this page, the first option is called shop name, and you can change your shop name by clicking on this button right here called change. Now you just have to click on this, and then you guys will have to type your new shop name, and then you have to just click on this button right here called save. And after clicking on this button guys, you just have to click on this button right here called change shop name. So guys, as you can see, my shop name has been changed to this name, and that's how you can able to change your shop name on Etsy. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.